Hi everyone, and welcome to the This is GE HealthCare UK STEM quiz. My name is Lily Yip, and I'm a Senior Technical Program Manager for the GE HealthCare Pharmaceutical Diagnostics business. I love working at GE HealthCare because I get to be involved in creating innovative products that helps to improve the quality of care to the patients while getting to work and have fun with a great bunch of people from across the world. What is GE HealthCare, you ask? We'll give you a quick glimpse shortly through this quiz. So grab a pen and paper and keep a track of your answers and score. My colleagues will talk you through it.
Welcome to the GE HealthCare quiz from me as well. My name is Jan Wolber. I'm a digital product leader at GE HealthCare. I've worked with the business for over 23 years in both research and development and more recently in commercial roles. And I currently work a lot on digital tools and artificial intelligence in healthcare. So who was the original founder of General Electric? It was not Ada Lovelace, who is often credited with being the first computer programmer, nor was it Albert Einstein, the famous theoretical physicist who was the father of the theory of both special and general relativity. And it wasn't Nikola Tesla either. Tesla was an engineer who made a lot of inventions related to alternating current and contributed to the electrification of the United States. The original founder was Thomas Edison, who famously had invented the light bulb and then moved on to inventing various other components related to direct current. And Tesla and Edison were in competition for several years during that time. And the General Electric company was founded in the end to exploit the patents of both Tesla and Edison to the wider benefit of the population during the era of electrification.
Innovation is defined as the combination of new ideas and commercialization. GE HealthCare has a very active innovation program in medical imaging and adjacent areas. So GE HealthCare is a medical technology innovator. Also, GE HealthCare has had a focus on bringing AI into healthcare through AI-based methods to acquire and analyze medical images. Also, we try to bridge data and technology to deliver results, for instance, by using artificial intelligence. It may be hard to imagine, but 4 people somewhere in the world are injected with GE HealthCare's contrast media every single second of the day for a medical imaging procedure. The so-called pharmaceutical diagnostics business in GE HealthCare, which makes contrast media for X-ray, CT, MRI, and also ultrasound, has been growing tremendously. And we expect that this number will actually grow to 5 per second by 2030. GE HealthCare makes all of those systems. And also to let you know, innovators from the UK have played a huge role in developing these medical imaging systems. For instance, Godfrey Hounsfield received a Nobel Prize for his work on computed tomography, whilst Peter Mansfield got a Nobel Prize for his work on magnetic resonance imaging. So you can see that there is a huge heritage in the UK in medical imaging innovation, and GE HealthCare is one of the leading companies providing those systems today.
My name is Rachel Armstrong and I am an ultrasound account manager in the northeast of England in the UK. To answer to question 5 is whales. Both whales and dolphins produce high frequency ultrasound waves and then listen to the echoes that bounce off objects in water. and this is how they can tell where they are, what they're doing and what they're seeing. Ultrasound is used all across healthcare. It's a really safe, very low risk procedure. Ultrasound uses high frequency sound waves which produce different images of different structures of the body. These images provide vital information for diagnosing and directing a patient's treatment and the care pathway. Ultrasound is probably most commonly used during pregnancy and is a very safe way of monitoring the development of a baby. At GE, I look after sales for point of care, women's health and general imaging ultrasound. I've worked at GE for nearly 8 years now. I really love working for the company. I love all of the products. I love all of the innovation. I love working with my customers every day and the amazing team in ultrasound.
Hi, I'm Kyra and I've worked at GE HealthCare for 4 years now. So the answer to this question is weight. Although we often have to input a patient's weight to ensure that the algorithms within our devices work accurately and specifically to a patient, there are other parameters that we're able to monitor, often being heart rate, oxygen saturation, blood pressure, as well as other parameters such as temperature and non-invasive blood pressure. And we are usually able to acquire this information through our low and high acuity monitoring products. However, there are other divisions within PCS that you can work within, for example, anaesthesia, respiratory, cardiology, maternal infant care, which I work within now, and service and consumables. And we sell our products to all different parts of the hospital, and that's why I like working for GE HealthCare, because there's lots of different roles to choose from.
GE HealthCare has a product called NatScan, which is an imaging tracer that helps diagnose Parkinson's disease. Also, we make and sell PET tracers for breast imaging that are helpful in diagnosing breast cancer. Our ultrasound contrast agent, Zonazoid, is very good at detecting and helping to diagnose liver lesions. Unfortunately, there is no medical imaging product that helps improve our memory.
Hi, it's Lily again. So how did you do? If you got 6 more correct, congratulations, you're a healthcare genius. Did you get 4 or 5 right? That's amazing. If you got 3 or less or are keen to learn more, have a look at our website, gehealthcare.com, or find us on LinkedIn and Instagram. If you take anything away from this quiz, it's these 4 points. Spend a minute to take them in. We hope you learned something today and enjoy the rest of your time with us.